Yeah, Mrs. Mata, I've discovered some trouble with your chime rods here. When I put it back in and was trying to tune it up, you know, bending the hammers and all, what we've discovered is that we think that these two rods back here are broken up inside of there, and they don't sound good anymore. And I've taken a video of it and put it up on the internet, and all the guys that I talked to think that this rod and the one behind it are broken and they need to be replaced. They're broken way up inside of this block, and so I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to need to do that. I think it's going to be, well, I'll text you with what the cost would be, but I'm sorry about that. I certainly didn't cause it. I don't know what would have caused it, but if I had done it, I'd certainly own up to it. I'm not a man to admit my mistake, admit my mistake. So I'll send you this video and then we'll talk about it after that. Okay, thank you.